Changing your primary email on First Bancorp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the First Bancorp website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Account Settings, find the option for Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to access your current email settings. Step 4. Update your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new email is set as primary. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on First Bancorp will be updated. Always remember to check your email for any confirmation messages regarding the change.